Hello, welcome back to another video of MCQ question answer series of Java tutorial. In this video we'll talk about string manipulation, and the question is what would be the output of this particular program. So here you can see that we have a string, right, with the value string itself, and there is a integer. The value of integer a is 12. Also we have another integer b, its value is 45. Now there is a three different printf statement or println statement, so you have to tell the output of these three. Now we'll focus in the first statement. So in this statement you can see that there is two operator plus, right? So when you use the plus operator with a string, so here is a string and the other type of value, here you can see that it's an integer, right? So you are using a plus operator with a string and the integer. So at this point of time the other type of data is converted to a string and it will be concatenated. Okay, so s will be concatenated with a. So if we'll give the output, then it will be string 1 2, and then again if we'll concatenate with b, then it will be string 1 2 4 5. Okay, now let's go to the second one, that is we are concatenating with a with s. So in this case as well we'll get 1 2, then we'll get string because it will act like the concatenation, and after that with the b it will be concatenated, right? So in this case what we will get, we'll get 12 string and then 45 in this way. Now let's see the third statement. So in this case what will happen, so you can see that a and b both are string, right? Not a string, both a and b is integer. So that's why if we'll do the operation a plus b, then it will result a integer operation or the addition. It will perform addition. Since both the type is integer value, they are added numerically. So here the output will be 57 because 12 plus 45 57, and after that there is operation with a string, so that's why it will concatenate. So the final output will be 57 string. Okay, so now we'll save it, and if we'll run it, let me click over here to run the code. You can see that first we are getting a string 1 2 4 5, then 12 string 45, then we are getting 57 string. So this is the output. If you have any confusion, please write it in the comment section. We will try to solve your problem as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.